I'm just riding my bike.
I'm sorry, man.
Now look at you, bro. You're crying.
I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Next time you come to one of our scenes, you start talking to us, I am gonna arrest you.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In February of 2024, Charlie was recording the San Antonio police making an arrest.
Mind if I go on the other side?
Don't get too close.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just gonna walk all the way around.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, man. Watch your back, okay? I ain't got no weapons, man. Calm down.
Come here.
Yeah, you was looking at me like it was a problem.
While filming, he noticed another group recording the incident as well.
Can I ask you, how do you know about your rights?
Sorry?
How do you know about your rights?
We film the cops all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, you too?
That's okay.
Me too.
We're not.
You're not gonna override.
What's your YouTube channel?
We don't have one. We're Member A's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it on Facebook?
Yeah. So we're on Facebook. We're Autonomous Member A's de San Antonio, and then on Instagram, también Autonomous Member A's.
The other camera crew tells Charlie that they only film until a suspect is placed into a police cruiser, which is why the crew missed when the officers attack.
I film until they get him in the car.
Yeah.
You know.
I film it all the way, dude.
Really?
Yeah. I know after that there's something else might go wrong, but
Drive over the pump.
and hit a curve and it'll watch his head just move. And
Yeah.
The other crew leaves and Charlie stays on scene, but he eventually crosses the street at the corner to film from a better angle. While standing on the sidewalk adjacent to the scene, one of the officers tells Charlie not to stand in the street.
No, where am I at, sir? Where am I at, sir?
How did you get over there? You walked in the street.
I walked across the street right there where it says the crosswalk, right? It says the stop sign, right? I walked straight across, right? Hey, your pocket fell. Your pocket fell. He's over here telling me I gotta stay off the street, officer. I'm on the sidewalk. There's still a sidewalk. I'm looking. I appreciate it, but I'm on the sidewalk. Cry baby. Yeah, look, he was telling me get off out the street, and I was not on the street. I was on the sidewalk, right there, crying. Get out the street! I walked at the crosswalk.
Charlie hurt the officer's feelings bad enough to cause him to become violent, and after conspiring with his fellow officers, they create a story that Charlie was in the street and use it as their reason to attack him.
I walked out at the crosswalk.
I saw you in the street.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You better leave me alone. I was right here, officer. Oh! No resisting! Stop!
Yeah, you tried to run away, so.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh. Oh.
What's your name and date of birth?
Charles.
What's your date of birth? You want it? Bro, I told you get out of the street.
Dude, wasn't even in the street. I wasn't even in the street, boss.
Sit up, bro. Sit up.
Oh. 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 I wasn't even in the street.
Yeah, you were. I
Like, you watched me right there. I crossed that crosswalk.
Oh, you did. You walked right next to my car. That's
No, I
not the
didn't, officer.
crosswalk.
No,
Yeah,
I
you did.
didn't.
That's fine.
No,
So
I
all
didn't,
these cameras
officer.
are rolling. And
No, I didn't, officer.
That's fine. That's fine.
Hey, where's your ID? Charles. Where's your ID? Charles.
Oh, so now you want to lie about your name? Okay. And your
Charles.
Where's your ID?
Can I get it?
No, you tell me what it is.
It's right there in the zipper, sir.
Even though in Texas you are not required to identify yourself unless you're a driver during a lawful traffic stop or you've been lawfully arrested, Charlie identifies himself, but the officers still reach into his pockets to grab his ID.
I'm not lying, man.
Charles. Date of birth,
And if my partner tells me to watch my back, what do you say? Yeah, watch your back.
That's
yeah,
what
watch
he
your back.
said. I'm not even saying
Oh, you're
nothing.
an
He looked at me
instigator.
all crazy. Like I was gonna do something. I was just walking. I told this officer right here, officer, I'm gonna walk on this side of the street, but I'm gonna walk over there.
Listen,
And he said, okay. Yes, sir.
you were fine up
Yes,
until
sir.
you started talking to him. Now you're
But
interfering. Hold on, let me finish.
The officer is trying to explain one of the worst interpretations of statutory language I've ever heard, claiming that making a joke counts as interference.
Now you're interfering in his public duties. What did you tell him? Hey, officer, your pocket fell. That's not being funny. That's being stupid.
But he told me
And
to
if he
stay on the
turns and
sidewalk,
kicks,
boss.
and if that suspect kicks him, guess who's going to go to jail with him? You.
sorry.
You also told me to watch my
I'm
back.
sorry.
Listen to him.
Cause no, I didn't say watch his back.
He said, watch my back.
He
That's
said,
a threat.
I heard
That
him
is
say
a
watch
threat.
your
That's
back.
a threat.
I
Yeah,
said,
watch your back.
no, officer, I did not say that.
That's
It
fine.
was
'Cause
no
that's all
threat.
I hear.
So listen,
He said watch your back.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
If you're going to record, you can record all you want.
Sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Stop instigating anything.
I'm so
You said
sorry.
it yourself. You were bored and you're just being nosy all you want.
I'm so sorry.
But when you started getting in and interfering in public duties like that,
Yes,
you're going to go to jail too. You understand?
I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
And next time an
Honest to
officer
God.
tells you to stop moving back. This isn't TV.
I'm sorry, man.
Now look at you, bro. You're crying.
I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
What did they arrest you for? You got like a Julie, one of those Julie. Let me check.
Nothing, boss. Nothing.
Where do you live at, Dominguez?
I just moved here.
Where you from?
I'm from Dallas, boss.
You're from Dallas and you're already
Yes,
starting
sir.
trouble like this, bro? Come
Boss,
on.
I'm so sorry, man.
Well, if you're sorry, why are you doing it in the first place? You were cool right next to me.
I'm sorry, man.
You were cool right next to me recording. Nobody told you you couldn't record nothing. And then you got involved, right?
No,
You're
sir.
still.
I'm
You were
so
studying the street.
sorry.
And I mean, that's not. I thought you were expecting. I said you can record, just don't be on the street.
I wasn't even in
You wanted
the
to
street,
give you all that.
sir. I
This
wasn't
is in
even
Dallas.
in the
This is in
street.
Dallas.
We're going to pick you up and you get out of here. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Say loud. Oh, come on.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, next time you come to one of our scenes, you start talking to us, I am gonna arrest you. The only reason you're not going to jail right now is I'm taking him to jail. You understand?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, officer. I'm sorry.
Have a good
I'm
day.
sorry.
All right.
I'm so.
Charlie initially reached out to Pink Camera Magic, one of the first people filming police on YouTube. She helped him file a complaint, and though the officers can be seen wearing body cams during the encounter, the department has refused to release the footage. Charlie was called before the Complaint and Administrative Review Board to testify against the officers. This board is comprised of both officers and citizens who vote to determine if the complaint was legitimate. And after a secret ballot, the board's recommendations are sent to Chief of Police William McManus. And on December 10th, 2024, Charlie received a letter from Captain Alyssa Campos, commander of the Professional Standards Section. The letter claims that Chief McManus reviewed the incident and the recommendations of the board, and Chief McManus declared that no disciplinary action would be taken for slamming Charlie to the ground over a joke about the officer's pocket. The letter would be the first time Charlie was given the names of the 3 officers.
They fucked me up, all 3 of them. All 3 of them did. I walked across the street right here. He said I walked over there in front of his car. I didn't do none of that, and they slammed me to the ground.
Charlie has been filming police interactions for several years, and has a lot of content on his channel. For example, in this video, where he notices an officer in a parking lot and films the police cruiser while on his bike. After about 2 minutes, the officer comes to a complete stop, exits, and draws his firearm, aiming it directly at Charlie.
I'm just riding my bike.
I'm sure that officer was disciplined in the same manner as the San Antonio police. Charlie and Pink Camera Magic's channels will be linked below, so be sure to check them out and let them know I sent you. If anything changes from this incident, I'll be sure to let you know. Otherwise, if you like this video, be sure to check out another one linked on screen.